Hi everyone, I hope you all are fine. So guys, after releasing the mock test paper, many CMA students are facing problem in login mock test paper, okay? So one of CMA intermediate student has also faced same problem. She write mail to CMA Institute and the reply has been received from CMA Institute. I have received this information in Twitter, so I am sharing with this so that those who are still facing the problem can also understand the same. You can say that what will be the cause or reason for unable to log in. Okay, this you can say that I have whenever I make this video, I have also given the answer to those students who are asking in comment section. Okay, I have also said that as of now June 21 students are eligible. Those June 21 students who are merged with December 21 can eligible. Okay, and same reply has been received from institute with 1 point addition. Dear student, first of all, the student need to write unable to log in mock test paper. Okay, then institute reply, dear student, please note that student who have applied for June 21 term examination and now merge with December 21 are access to mock test portal as of now. Student who have applied for December 21 term of examination will be able to access the portal after closing the form fill up for December 21 term. Okay, so whenever after closing the window exam window for December 21 examination, as of now last date for 8 for intermediate 8 December, you can 8 October for intermediate and final student, and for foundation 10th October. Okay, but mostly foundation students said that they are eligible, they are accessing, but you can say that after the closing of exam window you can access, but those still want these mock test paper, I have shared in the telegram channel of mock test paper set 1 or set 2. So if you want on today basis, so you can get from the telegram channel. Okay, after that you can say that 8 October you can easily access these mock test paper. Okay, so I have received this information from, you can say, Twitter, so I shared so that those students who are facing the problem can also get the answer. Okay, same answer I have also shared whenever earlier student asked me the same question. Okay, and it is my humble request to CMA foundation inter and final, last date of filling exam window 10th October for foundation student, and for intermediate student and final 8th October for either adding new group or you can say filling fresh form exam application form. Okay, my suggestion to you, do not wait for last date, please fill as soon as possible. We have also seen that in last days we have to face some server down problem, so my suggestion to you, please fill as soon as possible. And still you have any doubt or you want to ask any question in the comment section, you can ask me, surely I will try to help you. And whenever I get such kind of clarification either from any side, so surely I will share with you. Okay, so still you have any doubt guys, you can ask me in this video, I will help you. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.